Wala raw basihan ang hiling ni James Yap na hold departure order ayon kay Chris Aquino. Sa panayam ni Jessica Soho sa TV host actress, sinabi ni Chris na labis siyang nasasaktan na kailangang pagdaanan ng anak niya ang lahat ng ito. Panoorin po natin ang interview.
Nag-file ng hold departure order petition ang iyong ex-husband si James Yap. Anong reaction mo dito?
Kagaya na sinabi ng abogado ko, what's the basis? Alam ko rin na nilabag nila yung rule na dapat from the time you file, dapat na 3 days bago malagay sa korte. 2 days lang eh. And hindi ko talaga maintindihan, Jessica, kung bakit. Dahil siya naman ang nabigyan nung kaming may temporary protection order, siya yung may kaso. Kami yung victims.
December 3 last year, ayon sa iyong petisyon, Mr. Yap acted as if he was entitled to his matrimonial rights and could gain carnal knowledge of petitioner referring to you, and meron ding quote-unquote unwelcomed attempts at physical intimacy. I'm quoting from your petition for the TPO. Ano ba talaga ang nangyari nung December 3 last year?
Alam mo, Jessica, I got home early. I was there before dumalaw si James. I knew that he was coming, so para to give them their privacy, I stayed inside my room. Alam ko na all throughout the visit, pabalik-balik talaga sa kwarto ko si Bim at hindi siya ganun kakomportable. Until James barged in, pumasok sa kwarto ko. I'll emphasize that it was my bedroom. It was not the living room, it was not the den, it was my bedroom. Hindi ko na siya asawa. Pero when he went in, dinuro-duro niya ako at sinabi niya, ayan, inaayawan ako ng bata dahil sa kung ano-anong pinagsasasabi mo sa kanya. Tigilan mo na yan. And then, sumunod si Bim doon. And doon niya sinimulang pikunin yung bata. Na gusto niyang sabihin doon sa kid na, yan, because you don't wanna hug me, you don't want to love me, you don't wanna kiss me, I'm just gonna hug and kiss your mama. And inamin naman niya, Jessica eh. Kinuha niya talaga yung braso ko. Sinubukan niya akong halikan. Sinabi rin niya that it was our son who inserted himself between the two of us. And it was Bimbi who was telling him, get out, don't hurt my mom. Alam mo, Jessica, ang hindi lumalabas was, I remember so well telling him, this makes me so sick. Kaya nga tayo na anal eh. At alalang-alala ko pa na sinabi ko, di ba nga dun sa petition mo, sinabi mo na hindi ako nagbibigay ng aking marital obligations na parati kitang tinatanggihan. E na-anal na nga tayo and yet pinipilit mo pa rin ako. And then, alalang-alala ko talagang sinabi niya sa akin, hoy, dapat nga magpasalamat ka, may gusto pang manlambing sa'yo. Uy, ang tanda mo na. Maswerte ka nga na pinapatulan pa kita. Jessica naman, sobrang nakaka-offend talaga because I didn't ask for it. That was my home. And you do that in front of my son?
Chris, how is Bimbi? Naintindihan ba niya what's happening? At anong sinasabi niya sa'yo?
Yes, Jessica, he does understand everything. And that's what hurts me so much. Na nasasaktan ako na kailangan pagdaanan ng anak ko to. Alam mo, Jessica, yung puso ko bilang nanay nadudurog nun dahil ayoko talagang pagdaanan ng anak ko to. Hindi ko dapat sabihin ito, but we started counseling. And ayoko talaga na lumaki yung anak ko na pwedeng isisi sa akin na, Mama, tinan mo ko anong pinagdaanan ko nung bata ako. I hope that people will realize that na hindi ako yung nagpa-press con, siya yung nauna. Hindi ako yung nagsabi ng kung ano-anong kasiraan tungkol sa nanay ni Bim, tungkol sa magulang niya. Hindi ko siniraan si James sa publiko. I did it through the court of law and I did it with facts.